Hello Bladers! I am sure you have visited Blade Auto Center. You have browsed through every aisle and checked out our items. If you have been on our emblem and sticker section, you might want to check and share this video. Welcome to our daily drive. Everyday tips for the everyday driver. If you are not subscribed yet, you are missing out. Today, we'll be talking about the different car brands, its in-house tuners and sub-brands. The popular tuner brands are TRD, Mugen and Rally Art. But did you know, these tuner brands or sub-brands are specific to car brands like Toyota, Honda and Mitsubishi? If you're not familiar with these brands yet, I hope this video will help you out. If you own a Toyota, your badge preference is TRD. For Honda, it is Mugen. Rally Art is for Mitsubishi. If you own a Nissan, your badge preference is Nismo. SDI, Subaru Technica International, is for Subaru. Liking this so far? Here's more. If you own a Mazda, your badge preference is Mazda Speed. For Suzuki, it is Suzuki Sport. F Sport or Lexus F is for Lexus. It is M for BMW. If you own a Mercedes-Benz, your badge preference is AMG. For Korean brands like Hyundai, it is Hyundai N. And for Kia, it is Kia GT line. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss anything? Comment down below so we can discuss it. Being the owner of your vehicle gives you every right to place your badge and other accessory. But it helps if you've placed the right one. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better.